Who got hit?
Tex.
Is that Josh hit?
No, Tex.
Tex is hit?
Yeah.
Tex can't be hit, nobody's shooting at him.
I was, he was up there.
No, Tex is in that door. Oh.
Bullshit, Tex didn't get hit.
That's such bullshit.
Hit. Thought he'd be there too. Clear.
2, 1.
Where's he at? Kevin, where's he at? They're already down there by the fucking pillars. He's moving into the box. See him? He's in the box. Josh, I don't know where
Sorry, Kevin. Fuck up.
Go! Get it! Yeah.